Hello, today we're looking at Dance of the Hours. This is our first video of Dance of the Hours. And the first thing you want to do is to work on the right hand. So you want to take a look at the right hand here. So we're going to take a look at the right hand. Fingers are everything. John Thompson teaches you what to do with your fingers and how to play classical music or complicated music. So the number one finger of your right hand starts on E, but your number two finger is on G. And it's going to say, and then your number one finger comes up to G, A. Let's do that again. And we're going to keep moving on in the second measure. And you said, and then we move on. A, your number one finger goes on A now. And then your three on C. So I'm going to play all of that, and then you want to stop the video and you want to try it. So you try that 4 or 5 times and then come back to the video. Okay, so I'm going to assume you did that. I'm going to repeat that. So now I'm on the end of the second full measure. And your number one goes back down to G, 2 on A, and then 1 on A, 2 on B, and then 1 on B, and your fourth finger on F. The fourth finger continues on F and goes to E. The 3 is on E. Then you take your 1 up to E, and your pinky all the way up to a high C, way up there. So that's the first line, and I'm going to go through the whole first line again. Fingers, fingers, fingers. That's your first line. The left hand, your little finger is on middle C. So it's kind of almost in the way of your right hand, which it kind of is to begin with. So I might take my left hand and move it up a little bit so there's room for my right hand to get in there. And then the left hand begins. In the first line, if your little finger is on middle C, follow the numbers. The numbers are all there for you. 5 and 3, 5, 4, 2. 5, 2, 1, and 5, 3, 1. So it should sound like this. So you want to give it a try. Remember that if your little finger is on middle C and you have one finger for each note, your left hand knows what to do in the first line. And the second video, we'll look at the second line.